Since January 3, 2023, our system ranks Meta as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.914. During this period the stock has outperformed our expectations with a gain 43.84% since we first told you to buy Meta 29 days ago. This is an average return of 1.51% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Meta, our last headline reads, weaker technical forecast for Meta as stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. The Meta stock price gained 3.03% on the last trading day, Monday, February 13, 2023, rising from $174.15 to $179.43. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 2.95% from a day low at $175.82 to a day high of $181. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 22.01% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -2 million shares, and in total, 31 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $5.64 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $236.86, and the lowest price was $88.09. Right now the price is 24.25%, or $57.43, below 52-week high, and 53.31%, or $204.90, below all-time high September 1, 2021, where the price hit $384.33. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 52.48% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 27.39% and 66.6%. The 12-month trend indicates a -34.61% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -77.57% and -30.75%. This equals a price between $40.25 and $124.25 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Meta stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Meta. The Meta stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $182.73. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $144.98. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 7, 2023, and so far it has fallen -6.36%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 52 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 50 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 32 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 21 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $177.92, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $5.18 between high and low, or 2.95%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 4.17%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Meta. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Meta currently has a price-earning ratio of 14.05. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Meta meets first resistance at $186.53. If you do not hold Meta shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Meta finds first level of support at $177.92, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Meta is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On February 8, 2023, Newstead Jennifer made an inside sell of 327 of Class A common stock. On February 7, 2023, Levine Marne L. made an inside sell of 23,317 of Class A common stock. On February 1, 2023, Newstead Jennifer made an inside sell of 342 of Class A common stock. On January 25, 2023, Newstead Jennifer made an inside sell of 342 of Class A common stock. On January 18, 2023, Newstead Jennifer made an inside sell of 342 of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -41.727. In total, the insiders bought 91,176 and sold 220,265 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $170.28, minus 5.10%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 4 days ago. Is Meta stock a buy? Meta holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 14th, we expect Meta to open down $0.680 and start trading at $178.75. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to